Wicknel Chivhayo shocks Zimbabweans as his vehicle appears to join Mnangagwa's motorcade. Welcome to our YouTube channel, RR Networks, where we give you update about news which is happening around Zimbabwe. Today we have a video which is circulating in Zimbabwe apo parikuziviswa kunzi vaMnangagwa vanga vachienda kuZimbabwe Agriculture Show of 2026. Vari ipapo motikari dzavo nova iri motorcade dzavo apo security inenge yakavachengetedza iri murodhi. Toziva kuti munyika yeZimbabwe kana mutungamiri wenyika achifamba nemotokari yake, dzimwe motikari nyangwe dzemabusinessmen, nyangwe dzevanhu vakaita sei, dzinomira musaidi meroad kuitira kuti motorcade yavaMnangagwa ipfuure. Asi pachiitiko ichocho pabuda mufananidzo wamuri kuona uripo pascreen waapiya washambisa ruzhinji. Pachibuda Rolls Royce car yava Wicknel Chivhayo inova iri yewhite yamuri kuona yabudikira ichitojoina zvakare motorcade yavaMnangagwa. Zvaita kuti veruzhinji vataurawo zvakasiyana siyana, vamwewo vachitaurawo zvakasiyana siyana vachiti zvinokonzera security risk, asi vamwe vakataura vakati hapana pekuti businessmen vachivhayo vanongo kana vajoina motorcade vanenge vatopiwa kunzi mapfurirwa space. Vamwe vakati mafambiro anoita motorcade hapana pavangangoerekana vapinda pakati presidential convoy. So according to news, Zimbabwe have been left talking over a video image showing businessman Wicknel Chivhayo Rolls Royce appearing to join President Emmerson Mnangagwa's motorcade as it passed. The footage, which is circulating on social media on Friday, shows a white luxurious vehicle traveling along the presidential convoy. The post described the vehicle as Chivhayo's Rolls Royce and claimed that it had joined the president motorcade. The unusual scene immediately attracted attention, with Zimbabweans questioning how the businessman vehicle ended up traveling so close to the presidential convoy. For many people watching the footage, the biggest issue was not the Rolls Royce vehicle itself, but the appearance, access, and proximity to the president. Presidential motorcade are normally tightly controlled because of security and logistical consideration. Vehicle traveling with or close to the convoy are generally expected to be coordinated by security officials. That is why the footage has generated questions about whether Chivhayo have been officially authorized to travel with the motorcade or whether his vehicle simply happened to enter the convoy path. At this stage, the video alone does not explain what happened. It does not establish that Chivhayo breached the security. Nana does not prove that he intensified with the presidential convoy. It simply shows his vehicle appearing to travel along with the motorcade, but has not stopped the debate. Some Zimbabweans react with humor, joking about Chivhayo's appearance closeness to the country's leadership. Others took the matter more serious, describing the situation as a potential security concern. This incident is particularly interesting because Chivhayo has become one of the most prominent business figures associated with the current political establishment. Ndizona udzata tikabata vaChivhayo vachiwanikwa motokari yavo yamaona pamufananidzo apo ichijoinana nemotokedi yavaMnangagwa. Ndidzo news dzatinadzo, tikutendai nekutsigira kwamaita RR Networks.